Hi everyone, our next lesson is about factoring general trinomial in a form of ax squared plus bx plus c where a is greater than to 1. That means that the value of a is greater than to 1. Examples are 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. The value of a is 3 and that is greater than to 1. Next is 4x squared plus 7x plus 2. The value of a is 4. 5x squared plus 8x plus 3. The value of a is 5. 6x squared plus 7x plus 2. The value of a is 6. And 6x squared plus x minus 2, where the value of a is 6. How are we going to factor the general trinomial where the value of a is greater than to 1? So in this example, 3x squared plus 5x plus 2, we have to write the factors first. Get the factors of the first term, which is 3x squared. So we have the factors of 3x squared, which is 3x and x. So write this as the first term on the two factors. Then, we will consider the sign of the last term. Dahil ang sign ng last term is positive, that means we must have a like signs. So since that we are looking for the like signs, it is both positive or both negative. So we will consider the middle term. Since the middle term is positive, we will be using both positive because positive times positive is equal to positive. Now get the factors of 2 and we have 2 times 1. So we have 2 times 1. So this is our first trial. How are we going to check if our first trial is correct? Let us first get the product of the inner term and that gives us 2x. The outer term is 3x and get their sum. The sum of 2x and 3x is 5x and look, and that is equal to our middle term, which means that our first trial is correct. Next is 6x squared plus 8x plus 2. Get the factors of the first term. And we have, it's either 3x times 2x or 6x times x because they are both equal to 6x. Let us first use 3x and 2x. And the last term is positive, means we are looking for same sign. And they should be what? They should be both positive rather. So both positive. So next is we will get the factors of the last term. The factors of the last term is 2 times 1. So this is our first trial. Let us try 2 and 1. Let us check this if we are correct. The inner term is 4x. The outer term is 3x. The sum of 4x and 3x is 7x. Oops, our first trial is wrong. So we have to do something. Never give up. Just try another way of replacing the factors. So in this case, what if we will interchange the factors of 2, make it 1 times 2. Now, let us check if our second trial is correct. The inner term is 2x. The outer term is 6x. And what is the sum of 2x and 6x? We have 8x. And finally, our second trial is correct. Okay, next, number 3 example. What are the factors of 8x squared? We have 4 times 4x and 2x. And the last term is positive. We are looking for like signs. Are they both negative or both positive? Since the middle term is negative, they are both negative. Okay? And what are the factors of the last term? The factors of the last term, 3 is 3 times 1. So let us first try 3 times 1. Let us check if our answer is correct. The inner term is equal to negative 6x. The outer term is equal to negative 4x. The sum of negative 6x and negative 4x is negative 10x. Is it equal to our middle term? Yes, we have the same sum to the middle term. That means that our first trial is correct. Next is example number 4. What are the factors of 5x squared? We have 5x and x. Let us try this. And since the last term is negative, we are looking for unlike signs. So it's either positive times negative or negative times positive. So let us try positive times negative. And what are the factors of 4? We have 2 times 2. Let us try 2 times 2. Okay, so let us check whether our answer is correct. The inner term is equal to 2x. The outer term is equal to negative 10x. That is the product of 5x and negative 2. And what is the sum? The sum of 2x and negative 10x is negative 8x. Look at our middle term. Our middle term is positive 8x. Negative 8x is wrong. So that means we have to try again. We are going to replace our factors. What if we will interchange the sign? We will just interchange. We will not change. Now, let us check if our second trial is correct. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. 5x times 2 is positive 10x. And their sum is positive 8x. And finally, we have the same sum, and that is positive 8x. And we got the correct factor for number 4. Very good. Next, number 5 is 2x minus x minus 6. Now, what are the factors of 2x squared? We have 2x and x. The last term is negative, so we are looking for unlike signs. So let us try negative times positive. And what are the factors of the last term? The factors of the last term is, it's either negative 3 times 2 or positive 3 times negative 2. So let us try the first one, negative 3 times 2. Let us check if we are correct on our first trial. The inner term is negative 3x. The outer term is positive 4x. The sum of negative 3x and positive 4x is x. Oh, the middle term is negative x. So, our first trial is wrong. Again, we have to try again. What if we will interchange 3 and 2? Now, let us try if our second trial is correct. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. 2x times 3 is equal to positive 6x. The sum of this is positive 4x. Oh no! Our second trial again is wrong. So what should we do? Let us first try to interchange the sign. Let us try if our third trial is correct. The inner term is equal to 3x. The outer term is negative 4x. And the sum of 3x and negative 4x is negative x. And finally, we got the right factor of 2x squared minus x minus 6. And that is quantity 2x plus 3 times quantity x minus 3. So in factoring the general trinomial, where a is greater than to 1, you have to try and try until you succeed. My dear students, never give up because we can do it. Good luck, everyone. Thank you.